Action Works Junk Removal specializes in air conditioner removal and disposal, offering professional and reliable services to safely remove old or non-working AC units. We handle everything from disconnecting and hauling away the air conditioner to recycling its components, ensuring proper and eco-friendly disposal. Based in Las Vegas, Nevada, our team works quickly, affordably, and with care to make the removal process completely stress-free. Trust Action Works Junk Removal for expert air conditioner removal services that get the job done right. Our services: air conditioner removal, AC removal, air conditioning unit disposal, AC unit removal, old air conditioner removal, air conditioner recycling, AC unit haul away, air conditioner disposal services, broken AC removal, window air conditioner removal, central AC removal, professional AC removal, affordable air conditioning, AC removal service near me, air conditioner junk, removal, air conditioning system removal, AC removal and recycling, air conditioner haul away, air conditioner removal. Cost for an old unwanted AC unit disposal or air conditioner removal experts. HVAC unit removal.